So at the moment we are north side of the Llyn Peninsula at the mouth of the Bardsey Sound. Now I've got a little bit of throttle on now, just keeping us up with the water, but we want to show you the power of the water and how fast this water can take you. Are we ready? 3, 2, 1, neutral. We're doing 5 knots at the moment. This is where we turn into a, from going a bit smooth to being into a washing machine. Alright, back there, Dan. Six miles an hour. Don't do this on a little dinghy or anything. You might not come out of it on the right day. Yeah.